This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. This crossover has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 4.6-liter V8, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include an air suspension, skid plates, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a sunroof, heated seats, aluminum wheels, roof rails, traction control and stability control systems, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has less than 46,000 miles. This Mercedes has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Thank you for considering Mercedes-Benz of Fort Washington for your next luxury vehicle. We are conveniently located at 404 Pennsylvania Avenue in Fort Washington. We look forward to serving you.